Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the Vivo launched their a new smartphone with a series of the Vivo X60. The new smartphone is the Vivo X60T Pro Plus. The Vivo X60 series is like a tree that keeps growing with the new branches. The latest addition to the series is the Vivo X60T Pro Plus, which is a variant of the Vivo X60 Pro Plus with a different sensor behind the 50mm telephoto lens. The original X60 Pro Plus comes with a 32 megapixel sensor, which is replaced by the 12 megapixel sensor. Unconfirmed info point: the new sensor being the Sony IMX663 1 by 2.93 sensor with a 1.22 UM pixel, replacing the Samsung S5K GD1 1 by 2.8 sensor with a 0.8 UM pixel and a quad wire filter. That aperture also changed from f2.08 to f1.98. The swipe also come with a small prices cut from the Chinese yuan 5,000 for the original, the Chinese yuan 4,500 for the T model. This convert is $700 and discount for the $78. Note that there are a varying discount at play at a various store, so as you can see in this T model as in this picture. So everything is else the same, including the 125mm periscope module and its 8 megapixel sensor, the 50mm 1 by 1.31 main camera, 48 megapixel ultra wide camera, same 32 megapixel selfie camera on the front as well. Rely it comes down the 50mm portrait camera. This is a smaller change that this says the Vivo X60T compared to the X60. There is a Vivo swipe it out the Snapdragon 870 for the Dimensity 1100 and added a gimbal stabilization to the main camera. The non-T model has a regular OIS, and do not forget that the Vivo X60 curved screen edition, like we said, many branches. Anyway, portrait camera aside, the Vivo X60T Pro Plus is identical to the Pro Plus. This model appears only in China for now and come in the two color, orange and a blue color. Both are up on the Vivo online store. However, no units are available at this moment. So let me know in the comment section, are you like this new Vivo smartphone? I also like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.